Okay, sir, as a PE teacher, what is your role and strategies in our institution and as a health team?
Okay, so good afternoon. So, the basic role of the PE teacher is to maintain and promote the healthy lifestyles towards the students and faculty. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is April Joy Villamor from 3B Bachelor of Physical Education. So, what is your name, sir?
By the way, I am John Robin Molina.
Okay, sir. My question is, what is your role and strategies as member of DRRMO in our institution, ZIPSU?
The role of DRMO marshals here in this institution is to we are making a hazard mapping, a risk assessment, like those buildings na mayroong mga risk na, example, crack, yung mga may something na parang nahuhulog na, yung malapit na mahulog. Gumagawa kami ng mga risk assessment, then binibigay namin yan sa ating dito sa school para ma-actionan kaagad upang hindi yung students malagay sa endanger na situation. And as a DRM marshal here in this institution, we are implementing trainings like first aid, basic life support. We provide basic life support in our other institution like in the EPDU, external anong tawag doon? Basta yung EPDU natin ng mga campuses like sa Vitali, Manangas, Tabasalan, and I think it's Bayog. And doon binibigyan namin ng mga trainings ng mga BLS para may idea sila paano mag-response during and after sa mga disaster preparedness. And as a marshal, we implement security in this institution. Kung napapansin nyo, nagpapalakad-lakad kami, hindi lang more on response yung ginagawa namin, kundi we are securing the students for their safety. That's all.